Fucking sorry, man. Beers.
I thought alcohol was soluble.
No, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Really hot.
I think. I hope.
I will wear the hat.
Dun 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 dun. Oh no! What's gonna happen? Will it set a light? Oh my God! It's the roll! Ah! What's gonna happen? I think it's going out.
Take off, let me see. 2 minutes. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna set me on fire for a quick.
It's a video.
Banter.
Going.
Close my eyes ready.
Oh my God! Do you still have a video of me and G being like, you can have a cheese toasty, but as long as you use the ham it fit on
Yes,
cheese.
yes.
Banter.
I've
When
still
did
got
you
that one.
start phoning from?
What?
When did you start filming from?
When did I about 2 hours ago that way.
Banter.
It's amazing. I think this one or the umbrella one is going on Bebo. What? The umbrella? What umbrella? What? What are you on about? Fucking amazing. I think I just let slip and the umbrella went on fire. Plastic bag! Oh!
Dude, let's just let it say Christmas fire.
Oh.
No, leave the tent. Otherwise you don't get no
There's a
tent
white
out.
box behind it.
Oh.
Who did I give the tenner to? I can't remember. Jason. Alright, okay. Well, that's
All gonna be a tenner.
generally.
Oh yeah, I've got your tenner. Yeah.
I think we should write something on it. Has anybody got a pen on them?
No.
And then he can set something on fire, like Jenna's name or something that we can set on We set Jenna on fire.
My eyes are like so watering.
And it smelled funny because of all the fat.
Harsh.
She's a knob.
Stop!
Amazing tent, by the way. Same as usual.
I paid 20 quid for a tent. I'm really pissed off because I paid 20 quid.
I know.
And it's
I give
like
Edward
nothing
8
now.
pounds for
I'm
it.
not even going to take it.
Didn't Edward?
Yeah.
What? For the tent, which I paid for.
Yeah,
No,
give
I-
Edward money for
No,
it.
but that's instead of your money for the beer.
I give you 10 quid for the beer.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so you did. Why did you pay 10 quid for the beer if you paid for the tent?
Because Jason has no money, so I gave my £5 to put in.
Well, she's giving me £8 extra.
But dude, I don't care, man.
Are you sure?
I'm not even.
Look at that. That's fucking amazing.
Wait, where's that cell?
Oh, I think we should set something on fire. Really, really bad idea, Jay. Really, really bad idea.
No, I've done it before.
Where's it? Edward. See that deodorant carton you just bought?
Yeah?
Jump it in.
No.
Get everyone to stand right back and then just do it. Throw it, just for the cart. Go seriously.
No.
I'll do it. And then I'll do it. I'll put it in.
No.
No, go for it. Amazing.
No, because I want to smell nice in the morning.
Yeah, actually,
It
no,
is
that's
the morning.
fair.
Smell
Good
nice
idea.
in the morning.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, give me for your hat.
I got aftershave. I think I'll go fire.
No, don't even bother. Don't even bother.
Yes, look at my father there.
Don't.
Cry like a baby.
Oh, don't even bother. No, don't even bother.
It's like fucking.
Don't bother. I'm
I
just
got
giving you a hat.
Oh shit, I have a rope on shit. I'll set fire. Let's try it. It's rolling stuff, man.
Yeah, but still. I suppose it's got no compressed gas in it, but
Yeah.
it's still quite flammable.
Like, the one, my man.
Why do you have a roll on, you big gay?
Because I don't have any fucking inspiration.
Why do you have roll on your gay?
Because I don't have any inspiration. I can't be fucking buying any. I don't know what it is. It's melting. Bastard. Yeah.
Okay, where's my deodorant?
Someone throw the deodorant in if you look.
No, well, just like, no, we're just like, no, we're not setting up. We're not throwing it in.
Go.
No, we're not throwing it in.
Oh, yeah.
What, you would stand there and throw it right in.
Come on,
Over there.
That's
Hey,
hilarious.
give
Yeah,
her
you're like
Bronson.
standing right there though.
That's actually going back into the deodorant, so it's probably not the best.
Dude, amazing. Go for it.
Just quite, even in this.
I don't know.
Cool.
Funny.
Oh! I would keep it going and like bring it back.
Oh shit!
Amazing.
I need to bring it back. Look.
No! Amazing! Woo! It's our fireworks. This is the best yet.
Oh!
Okay.
Over there.
Nathan, go find your Pepsi Max vodka.
I just don't want Dude, I found your Pepsi Max vodka. I found it.
That was because Nathan.
Fire! You don't find it. I see you don't get out here.
What's there? That massive.
A blue pea. A pea. You're gonna climb a tree, get
Alright.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's good building time. Building time. No, not really. Was that just... I can do it. Edward.
Holy shit! That this whole thing just.
I'll put it in there.
No! You're not fucking put it in.
Everyone stand
It
back.
will explode.
Let everyone go back a mile.
Right, okay. No, everybody stand the fuck back.